Looking for a wall solution that's modern, stylish, and functional? Meet Slimwood Cork Wall Tiles by Forna, where design meets performance. Crafted from natural cork, Slimwood tiles bring warmth, elegance, and sustainability to any interior. With their slimline 12mm design, they create a seamless feature wall without taking up valuable space. Perfect for offices, conference rooms, and home workspaces, Slimwood panels not only look stunning but also reduce noise, creating a calmer and more productive environment. In yoga studios, gyms, and wellness spaces, the natural cork absorbs sound and vibrations while adding a soft, organic feel to the room. For nurseries and family rooms, Slimwood offers a healthy choice. Cork is hypoallergenic, eco-friendly, and naturally regulates temperature, making your home safer and more comfortable. From restaurants to music rooms, Slimwood tiles are versatile. They elevate the ambiance with their rich texture while enhancing acoustics, perfect for dining, entertaining, or even playing piano. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, Slimwood Cork Wall Tiles are the perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Transform your walls with Slimwood: natural, sustainable, acoustic, beautiful. Slimwood Cork Wall Tiles available now at icorkfloor.com.